Hello friends, today I'm going to show how to upgrade Lenovo IdeaPad 330S laptop RAM. So this is the RAM. It is Crucial 4GB DDR4 2400 MHz RAM. I purchased it from Amazon for rupees 1926. I will provide link in the description, so if you want you can buy it. So this is the laptop, Lenovo IdeaPad 330S. So you can see that there are in all 10 screws. Let me count and show you. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So let's unscrew these all 10 screws. Let's go. Here I have fast forwarded the video. Now after unscrewing all the screws, you need to pop out the back panel. For this you should have very good fingernails, or you can use any plastic tools. But be careful. The objects you are using should not be very sharp, else it can damage the internal components of the motherboard or internal wiring. Here I am slowly sliding through all the sides. Really telling, it's very tight. You need to apply some pressure in order to get that back panel come off. So I have slid through two sides. Now I am applying some pressure. It's finally come out. So you can see the back panel is out. So these are the internal components of laptop. You can see there is one exhaust fan, the battery, hard drive. In order to access the RAM slot, you need to remove one more cover, the black covering case. This laptop has two RAM slots, out of which one is soldered to motherboard and the one is accessible. I have checked this model can be upgradable up to 20 GB. So in order to access the RAM slot, you need to open this back black casing. It has 4 screws on 4 sides. 3 screws are similar and the one screw is different, little bit different size. This was the first screw, which is black in color, and the rest 3 are white in color and similar screws. Here I am using the magnetic screwdriver. After removing all the screws, you need to keep it in a safe place. This is the last screw. Let's unscrew it. So I have removed all the 4 screws. Now let's take off that black casing cover. It is also a little bit tight, like back panel. Here also you need to apply some pressure. So finally I have removed it. Now you can see there is empty RAM slot where if we have to place our RAM. This is the RAM slot. Before putting RAM, you should make sure that the RAM goes properly inside that pin. The alignment is perfect. You need to enter RAM at 45-degree angle, like this. See, I'm entering at a almost 45-degree angle. After that you need to press it in a downward direction till you hear some sound. So here my finally RAM has been installed. Now let's close the black casing cover and the back panel. So let's turn on the laptop and check whether the laptop is detecting the additional 4 GB of RAM or not. Here my laptop was taking much more time to boot up as compared to the earlier, before the upgrade it was taking. This is because there is a sudden change in the hardware and the laptop is detecting the new change in the hardware. This is only for the first time. Once you upgrade your RAM, later on it will boot up as normal. It took almost 10 minutes to boot up and restore everything. So don't worry, after upgrading it will take some time only for the first boot up. Later on it will boot up very fast and normally. It is detecting the new hardware change and recognizing the new 4 GB of RAM, so it is taking much more time. So finally my laptop has boot up. Now let's open the task manager and check whether it is detecting the new 4 GB of RAM or not. So let's open task manager. So here you can see my memory usage is 27%. Before it was around 45 to 50%. So my laptop has detected the new 4 GB of DDR4 memory. Now the total memory is 7.9 GB, out of which 2.1 GB is used and 5.7 GB is free. So here you can see 7.9 GB total memory. Also slots use 2 of 2. So finally I have upgraded my laptop RAM from 4 GB to 8 GB. So this is very simple steps. Only you need to open your laptop back panel carefully. Once you access the laptop back, you can easily upgrade your RAM. So here also you can see the total memory is showing 8000. I am going to make one more video soon on performance of this laptop, how the laptop is performing after upgrading RAM from 4 GB to 8 GB. So friends, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will make the performance video soon, almost in 2 to 3 days. Once again, thanks for watching.